I'm scared, but I'm about to try and drive a tractor for the first time. So Ryan might end up with a hole in his house. He might end up with a hole in him. Who knows? Who knows what might happen?
Or her.
Okay, get it one time. Let me see it.
Can you stop and pause it?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Oh my goodness, this thing is a beast.
Come
Am
over
I
here.
supposed to back this thing up?
In front of it?
Be neutral. Up is low, neutral, and high. You don't need high.
No,
Okay? So this is your gear shift. It'll go 1 through 4.
I never drove. I can't drive a standard vehicle.
This ain't like a standard.
Okay.
Once you leave it in gear, you just let off the clutch. This is your clutch. That's 4-wheel drive. You won't need 4-wheel drive. That's your PTO. All right? You're
I'm
gonna.
scared. I'm already confused.
This is your throttle, and then that pedal right there. Push. Yep. No, that's your brakes. There's 2 brakes. That other pedal. No, the little one.
Oh,
Yeah, that's your throttle too. You got 2 throttles.
I'm just as confused as you are.
Okay. Now, scoot back, Ashley. Push in that clutch.
Hush.
And turn the key on. Yep. Alright, come here, Ashley. Okay, this, raise that up, down, pull forward, push back. Okay, now look, here's the throttle. Forward. You see this knot? That means it's level with the ground when it's on the ground. So when you're up picking the hay up, you want a little bit forward.
tell me this again.
Now that's what you have to figure it out. Raise it up. Down. Step forward. Step back. Yep. Now you're going to pick that hay up. Push it forward a little bit. Right there. You're going to pick that hay up right underneath the center. Okay? Pushing that clutch and stick that one, the one close to me, in second. The gear shift. Yep. And then that other one in low. And then hold on to that knob, turn with that knob. Okay.
You won't be able to hear because of the tractor.
Now, stab it just below center. Stab it just below center, so lower it down.
You won't be able to hear him because of the tractor.
Make sure you're watching. Just look at it.
do you think? Well, she hadn't speared the truck or the lawnmower yet. She ain't made a shish kebab out of it. Come on.
Let's go. Go.
I can't see your truck.
That's good. Now, that's down. I'll start in neutral. That's neutral. Now, sit the hay down. There you go.
Two thumbs up. It may have taken me a while, but Ashley, you're supposed to be on my side.
Oh.
Yeah,
Woohoo!
she done it.
I did it with a lot of instructions, but I did it.
She didn't make no shish kebab out of the truck or the lawnmower.
True.
Yeah. Had you not been around, I probably would have.
Yeah.
Yay!
Well, I was gonna have her put it in the pasture, but it's getting time to
I'm hungry.
do that live.
And I'm hungry.
Gotta feed the beast.
I did it, y'all. We have Gidget here wanting everyone to play with her. Ryan,
Bigger stick.
throw it for your baby Ryan. Have y'all given her a bath lately?
It doesn't do anything.
It doesn't work, I know. There's too much dust.
All you do is wash the sand off.
Here comes the other little baby.
He
Aww.
loves humans more than dogs.
Who?
Oreo.
Oh,
Oreo loves humans more than dogs.
I don't know if I can throw it in my neck.
Gidget can play all day long. I think she got confused.
Gidget.
Come here, Gidget. Gidget.
Watch her jump in the water. Have you seen her do that?
I seen her once, dude. She's gonna throw it in the water, y'all.
Do you see the water?
Not yet.
Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Get it, come on.
Go get it, Gidget. And there goes Oreo too.
Oh, he won't go in there.
Oh, he won't go.
No.
I just didn't see him.
Look at this growling bark.
Like, hurry up and get out of there.
I don't think you want to throw that anymore.
Ooh, yeah, I'm sure that's pretty slimy and nasty.
That's what the cow was.
I bet it feels good, true though.
Oh yeah, I imagine it does. It tastes nasty though.
Oh, have you been drinking some, Ryan?
Yeah.